In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy or bypass geo-restrictions, Nordvpn is a fantastic tool to have in your digital arsenal. Let's dive into the process of getting it set up and running smoothly on your computer. First, you'll want to visit the Nordvpn download page. This is where you'll access the latest version of the VPN app designed specifically for Windows. You can find this page with a quick search online, or click the link in the description below. Once you're there, the layout is quite straightforward. Next, look for the Login option. It's typically located in the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, just click on Login and enter your credentials. If you're new to Nordvpn, don't worry. You can create an account on the same page by following the sign-up prompts. After logging in, navigate to your account overview. This section provides a comprehensive summary of your account details and plans. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this is where you can manage your subscription and personal information. With that out of the way, move on to the download section within your account dashboard. This step is crucial as here you'll find all the installation files necessary for setting up Nordvpn. Once you're in the download section, locate and click on the Nordvpn for Windows button. This ensures that you're downloading the correct version for your Windows operating system. The download should commence automatically. After the download finishes, open the Nordvpn app file you just downloaded. This will start the installation process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open up the Nordvpn app. It should prompt you to sign in with your account details. If all goes smoothly, you'll be greeted by Nordvpn's easy-to-use dashboard, where you can choose your preferred server, connect with one click, and explore additional features like specialty servers and quick connect options. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to secure your online presence with Nordvpn on your Windows device. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enjoying a safer and more open internet experience. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials like this one.